Did you know faulty and old wiring is one of the main causes of electrical fires and accidents in homes and businesses? If you are a home or business owner, you are liable if a tenant or employee is injured in a property you own, and many insurers now require proof of inspection before providing any cover. Without proper inspection reports, you could be putting your tenants or employees at risk and be liable for the full costs of any damages incurred. The simplest way to ensure you are protected is to obtain an electrical installation condition report, known as an EICR. This is a formal document that is produced following an assessment of the electrical installation within a property carried out by a qualified and registered electrician or approved contractor. This report confirms that your electrical installation is in satisfactory condition in accordance with the Electricity at Work Regulation of 1989 and the Health and Safety at Work Act of 1974 and the BS 7671 requirements. Additionally, an EICR is often required to fulfill legal obligations and is an essential part of the insurance process. Bright Power Electrical Testing is here to help. Our professional electricians are highly experienced, qualified, and are all trained to City and Guilds 2395 inspection and testing levels. Fully proficient in the electrical installation condition report process, our specialist testing engineers are fully aware of all the rules and regulations applicable to your property or business. An EICR will not only make your property compliant, but will also highlight areas where you could reduce the amount of energy being used and therefore reducing your property's carbon footprint. Downtime for businesses can be costly. Ensuring that your electrical systems are compliant not only gives you peace of mind, but is often more cost effective by minimizing downtime due to electrical faults. For a free consultation, contact us today on 0800 8303 800 or email us at info@brightpowertesting.co.uk.